Hello everyone, this is Devbyte. Let's make our coin collection feel satisfying by adding a pickup VFX effect in Unity. Let's create a particle system. Right-click in Hierarchy, Effects, Particle System, and rename this as Coin Pickup VFX. Now, what is a particle system? Particle system is a component used to create complex dynamic visual effects by simulating and rendering many small images or meshes simultaneously. Particle systems are used to create visual effects like explosions, smoke, sparks, magic. In our case, we'll create a simple coin pickup. Now let's customize it. Duration for our effect will be 1, and we don't want to loop it. Start lifetime will be 0.5, start speed will be 0, and start size will be 3 in our case. Now, let's reduce the max particle from 1000 to just 10. Let's move to emission section. Click on emission, and in there rate over time will be 0, and click on plus button for bursts, and then set the count to 1. Let's change the start color and give it a yellow or gold color. Next, we'll change color over lifetime. To do this, check color over lifetime property and set the color values. And then we'll check the size over lifetime to handle its size over time. Drag the particle effect from hierarchy into project folder to create a prefab, and delete the coin VFX from hierarchy. Now, do some coding to create its clone. Whenever player collect the coin, double-click to open player movement script. First, we need a reference of coin pickup effect prefab. For this, we'll add a new game object with the name of coin pickup effect. Now we want to spawn our particle effect exactly where the coin was collected. Here's the problem though. We need the exact position of the coin the player touched. Inside on trigger enter, we already have access to that coin through the other parameter because other represents the collider we entered. So when the player enters the trigger of an object tagged as coin, other is actually our coin object. Now technically, we could directly use other.transform.position here. But the problem is, our VFX spawning code is inside another method called collect coins. And inside that method, we no longer have access to other. So what we'll do is store the current coin reference before calling collect coins. Here we'll add a new transform for current coin. And inside our onTrigger enter, we'll store our coin transform into current coin. Inside our collect coins method, we'll instantiate our coin VFX prefab. Now assign the coin VFX prefab in inspector and test the game. You can see when our player collect coins. Coin pickup effect instantiate the position of that coin. Here is a problem. We are not destroying coin VFX prefab clone. Now to avoid clutter in hierarchy, we need to destroy the coin VFX prefab clone. Let's store our coin VFX clone in a game object VFX. Now destroy it after every second. Let's test it again. As you can see, our VFX clone is now getting destroyed after every second. That's it from now. In the next video, we'll store our level progression locally in player preferences. Follow Devbyte